Hey guys, and welcome back to another video with your girl Liza. I'm here today to make fresh cucumber water. I am so tired of spending money on jugs of juices for my kids. I don't know about you, but I am. I'd rather have them drinking fresh waters made from vegetables and fruits. And this is one way I've learned, and shout out to the young lady on Views on the Road. She actually gave me this idea. So this is her recipe. I will have it linked in the description box below, and if you want to check out her channel, please do so. Now let's get right into this water. First, you're going to have 3 cucumbers, and it's going to call for some lime. She uses key lime, but I don't have key lime, so I'm going to use what I have because, like she says, make it comfortable for your home. So I'm using limes. You can use key limes if you have it, or any other citrus that may taste good. Like there could be oranges or regular lemon. Just do whatever you think will taste great for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into these. You want to take this tip and you want to rub it like this. This is also a tip that I got from her on her channel. She says she's been doing it for years, and she said that it actually helps with the bitterness when you have a bitter cucumber. So make sure when you cut it, you rub those ends on the bottom, okay? Don't forget to do that. Rub those ends on the bottom. So, want to rub it. Yeah. Not sure what it's doing, but I'm gonna follow her tips. So, because I've never made cucumber water, and so it's better to be safe than sorry, right? Yes, it is. So let's rub those. Awesome. And like I said, this is one way of getting your kids to drink. Now we're just gonna peel them. Getting your kids to drink water. If you have a hard time drinking water yourself, this is also a very healthy water for yourself. So, you know, don't be shy. You drink it as well. If your kids see you drinking it, they'll most likely drink it, right? So give it a try. This is my first time making it. I'm excited to see how well it comes out. So you want to peel all your cucumbers. Put all these scraps in the bowl. Let's go, let's go. And by the way, these are organic cucumbers that I'm using. You can use any other cucumber that suits your family. These are just the ones that I was able to find during this pandemic and being in quarantine. Nobody wants to buy organic, so I was able to find these because there was no regular cucumbers in the store. So, hey, I'll take what I can get, and I won't throw a fit. So keep peeling. I'm sure this would have went a lot quicker if I would have peeled them before, but I just wanted to show you guys all the steps and not cut any corners. So, alrighty, we are done with that, and now we're gonna go ahead and before I cut it, I'm gonna actually show you guys what I use. I use this green cutting board, which is made for vegetables. It's also, they have other colors in here that you can use for different things like meat, fruit, different types of meat, fish, your beef, your chicken. There's different colors that you use, and this one is particularly for vegetables. So I'm gonna be using it today to cut my cucumber on. And that way you don't have to keep flipping your cutting board, right? Because I don't know about you, I got really tired of flipping my cutting board. Okay, cut meat on this side. Okay, now cut fruit on this side. And I had to label it in the corner. So I'm glad I have these little colors that I can use to remind me what I need to cut on each one. And they also come with replacement mats that you can also get. I'll have all that in the description box below as well. Make sure you, if you want to check it out, check it out. And if I haven't said, if you have not yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be notified for when I come back with more videos. And don't be stingy. Share the channel with anyone that you think it will help. Let's get these all chopped up. And of course, I did the one thing that I said I was not gonna do and remember to not do. I forgot to cut slices of the cucumber to decorate the jar. Duh. But that's okay. We're gonna keep on moving. Here we go. So you're gonna take these cucumbers and you're going to put them in here. I have 6 cups of water, and you're gonna just take your cucumber and go ahead and place them on in there. Yeah. Use them all. Yes, yes, yes. And now you're going to blend this. You're going to blend this for 3 to 5 minutes. That's right. I said 3 to 5 minutes. If you want it to taste great, you gotta put in the time. So don't short yourself. Blend it for 3 to 5 minutes. Here we go. We did our blending, and now you're gonna take your, go ahead and it smells so fresh, so fresh, so fresh. Let's see the consistency. Oh, that is perfect. Super smooth, not a lot of chunks, not a lot of poke. Perfect. So now you're gonna take this and you're gonna pour it into your strainer. If you don't like poke, if you do like poke, then by all means you can keep it just like it is and drink it up. But I'm making this for my kids, and I know fully well they will not like poke, so I'm gonna drain it, but I'm gonna also keep some of the poke for myself, for mine, because I do like the poke. So here we go. Yeah, yes. Go ahead, get all that yummy yum. All that yum yum. And if you need to, get a strainer like this, because it actually connects to your bowl so that you don't have to hold it with your hand, which is so beneficial when you're doing this. So keep going. Oh, look at that beautiful bright green. Isn't that just gorgeous, right? That is nice. If you try this, please share it. Share pictures or videos down in the description below. I mean, not in the comment box below. I want to know who all tried it. So if you try it, comment and let me know how you like it. Remember, this is my first time making it, and I'm excited to taste it at the end. Nice. So after this, I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side and continue to let it drain. And while that's doing that, you wanna take your your lime. And I like to roll it a little bit, make it a little bit softer and juicier. Slice it in half. And if you have a press, you can use your citrus press. If you don't, you can squeeze it by hand as well. You're gonna go ahead and squeeze that lime on in there. Squeeze. And what I'm gonna do is what she showed me in the video is you wanna take your sugar and dissolve it into your lime juice so that you don't have sugar, a big old thing of sugar just sitting at the bottom of your jar. So I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3. And then you're just gonna dissolve it. I am using raw cane sugar, but feel free to use whatever sugar you have at home. Whatever your family use, that's what you use. And of course you have to sit here and stir this. So this is very time consuming. So time consuming. I'm going to get some ice and get ready to put some ice into my jar. Alrighty. Yes, we make ice the old-fashioned way. No ice maker here. So. Okay, so we're gonna keep dissolving this. It's almost there. I can see the clear coat. I just want to have a little ice in there. I think that's pretty good. So then you're gonna take that and pour it on in there at the bottom. Okay, forgot I left it inside. Get all of that nice lime sugar into the bottle. Okay. So I'm gonna keep the pulp because I want to put some of it in my, not in my kids, but in mine. So here we go. Now you're gonna take this beautiful lime cucumber water and you're gonna pour it inside your jar. Pour slowly so you don't spill, guys. There's no rush. Take your time. Yes. And now you're gonna take your spoon, give it a swirl, mix it a little. Mix it, mix it, mix it. I cannot wait to taste it. And at this point, it's however diluted you want it. You can add more water to it. Give that a little taste. I'm gonna grab a glass. Let's give it a little taste to see if I need to add more sugar or more lime to everybody's taste. Oh wow, that's really good. That is really good. That's good. And the good thing is it has a little bit of pulp in it, which is great. I'm going to actually add some more lime and a little bit more sugar. but you add to your taste. And I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna pour the rest of that sugar. I'm just gonna pour the rest of it. No need to waste it. It's just a little bit left. And I'm just gonna stir it again until you get that nice clear coat at the top, so that you don't have a lot of sugar sitting at the bottom of your container. Here we go. I'm just gonna pour it on in there. I'm gonna use this to get the rest of that goodness out of there. Alrighty. Give it a stir. Stir it up. Give it another taste. Yes. Guys, if you want some fresh cucumber water that's refreshing, that's great, that's delicious, you have to give this recipe a try. Once again, I will have the recipe in the description box below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I was all over the place, but thank you for tuning in. And Elevate Nation, I'll catch you guys next time. So remember, live, love, and elevate. Bye. Here we go. I might have to hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, I see what I did wrong, guys. Hold on 1 second. Okay, now we're ready. Seriously. Okay.
Can we get a dance for some music on the way out?
Okay. I think that went okay.